Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the top 5 resources, and the main thing is it is absolutely free. So I personally have not tried this resource myself, but for anybody who is learning Kubernetes for the first time, I think this will help you to learn for free and to learn at your own pace, right? So without any further ado, let's look at the first resource. Alright, so the first one is from edX. It is Introduction to Kubernetes. So this will give you a high level understanding of Kubernetes and its components. Upon completing this course, developer will have a solid understanding of origin, architecture and building blocks of Kubernetes. As it states here, as you can see here, it is from Linux Foundation and the course level is introductory. So if you are new to the Kubernetes, so this is the best way to start with this course, and the course is free. So the best part about this course is they are covering from monolith to microservices. You can enroll to this course by clicking on enroll now, and there are two tracks for this course. One is verified track and the other one is audit track. So in the verified track you have shareable certificate and then the graded assignments and stuff. I don't think you need this too. So you are good with the audit track, which is absolutely free, right? The second resource is Cube by Example, and this is designed by the KBE team. So unlike in the previous course where you have to watch the videos and practice by yourself, so this is a different way of learning where you can start with the fundamentals or start with different tracks, and then you can follow the examples and practice. So after you have done the previous course, you can click on the Kubernetes fundamentals. For example, you can see here all the videos here for free. So you can also click on try Kubernetes here and then practice whatever you have learned so far by getting started with the mini cube. So you don't have to install Kubernetes, so you don't have to use GK or any other cluster, and that's going to save you a lot of money, right? The third one is getting started with Kubernetes by Instruct. You can see here they have given the instruction on the top, or they have covered the concepts at the top, and at the bottom you can right away go into the challenges and click on start, and you can start working on running an application, or you can start practicing whatever you have learned at the top. And the fact that is free itself is an amazing thing. Once you are done with the basics, you can also go here and practice Kubernetes. Okay. The fourth one and the most famous one is from O'Reilly. It is called an Catacoda, and this is an interactive browser based scenarios, and this is most useful for people who do not have real time experience in working on Kubernetes, and they want to start practicing different scenarios like you know creating an ingress route or network introduction, and all these important concepts that you would understand by practicing different scenarios. This will be of great help if you are planning for writing Kubernetes certification. So you can use this free resource as well. Now, finally, fifth one. It is a completely open source and ultimate Kubernetes Handson. Here They have covered different cloud platform based labs as well, and you can see here pretty much most of the important things, and from the basic stuff to the advanced stuff, right? You can go to the GitHub page from here, and then you can you can also see all the concepts that are covered. So it has everything that is need to learn Kubernetes at one place, and this is created by Collab. So these are the 5 free resources if you want to learn Kubernetes, right? So I have not tried this or tested this out, but I would love to get your feedback on these courses and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.